flooding, landslide risks, and widespread disruptions. The storm came ashore in Wakayama Prefecture at around 4:30 a.m., dumping heavy rain across large parts of the country. Authorities briefly issued the highest Level 5 flood alert for the Koza River in Wakayama Prefecture, warning of an imminent threat to life. The alert was lifted shortly before 9 a.m., but officials continued to urge residents to remain on guard. In Tokushima Prefecture, dramatic flooding stranded a woman inside her vehicle. She was able to escape before conditions worsened. Landslide warnings are now in effect for parts of Chiba Prefecture, including Otaki Town and Isumi City, raising concerns as saturated ground becomes increasingly unstable. The storm is also knocking out power. The Tokyo Electric Power Company said thousands of households across the Kanto region were without electricity as of around 9:30 a.m., including roughly 1,200 homes in Tokyo and nearly 2,800 in Chiba Prefecture. Transportation services have been disrupted, and officials are warning residents to stay alert as heavy rain, flooding, and landslides remain a serious threat.